Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to technology, psychology, food, animals, sports, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Internet is controlled by 14 people having 7 secret keys and 7 more people as backup key holders. 14 people in all. A fisherman found a giant 34 kg pearl worth $100 million and kept it under his bed for 10 years as a good luck charm, not realizing its worth. Meet Alyssa Carlson. She can't get married, she can't have kids. She is preparing to become the first human on Mars and she will never return to Earth. Only 3 old men are left in the world which can speak the Badeshi language from Pakistan. A Soviet poster from 1994 depicting legends of German soldiers fated to die in the Russian winter due to its commander's orders. This is 3.2 billion pixel space camera that can take the largest single image in the world. Babies are born with pink lungs, but they darken in color. We breathe in polluted air. In the west side of Sydney, there is a around 2 years old ship which has turned into a floating forest. A duck can't walk without bobbing its head. You can't tickle yourself. Emus can't walk backward. Rooster can't crow if they can't fully extend their neck. Frog can't swallow with their eyes open. A crocodile can't move its tongue. The cheetah is the only cat that can't retract its claws. Cat can't move their jaw sideways. Your tongue is the only muscle in your body that is attached at only one end. Drinking watermelon juice before workout helps reduce muscle soreness. If every muscle in your body could pull in one direction, you could fit nearly 25 tons. Every year, your body replaces 98% of your atoms. Women are more attracted to men with a strong sense of humor because they interpret it to signify intelligence and honesty. Indian national Kabaddi team has won all the World Cup. When you take a step, you're using up to 200 muscle. Domestic pig average a top speed of about 11 miles per 17.7 km per hour. The average person in their lifetime will spend an estimated 20,160 minutes in kissing. India is the first country to consume sugar. Two in 5 people in the world marry their first love. %40 of American adults cannot fill out a bank deposit slip correctly. A cow produces around 200,000 glasses of milk in her lifetime. Bangladesh national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Mosquitoes are attracted to people who just ate bananas. Facebook has more users than the population of the US, India and Brazil combined. Africa and Asia are home to nearly 90% of the world's rural population. In North Korea, a roll of toilet paper and laundry detergent is the most common gift to bring. In North Korea, if one person commits a crime, his entire bloodline, including the grandparents, parents and children, are sent to prison. Between 23 to 36% of people never experience a headache in their entire life. An Amazon warehouse in UK destroys 130,000 unsold items per week, including MacBooks, iPads and smart TVs. Microsoft offered Yahoo $44.6 billion for the entire company in 2008, but Yahoo believed that was not enough money. In the 16th century, Turkish women could initiate a divorce if their husband did not pour coffee for them. If you land on the moon, your footprint will remain for a year or maybe as long as the moon lasts. The most expensive phone number cost millions. According to new policy of Amazon, starting from September, Amazon will pay you up to $1,000 if you receive a defective product brought from Amazon.com. A baby octopus is about the size of an ant when it is born. When elephants lose a mate, they refuse to eat and will lay down shedding tears until they die. The brazen bull was a punishment in ancient Greece. This is a country, Sealand. It has its own government, stamps, passport and even a soccer team. India has close to 500 wildlife sanctuaries. Shirley Henderson was the oldest actor portraying a student in the Harry Potter series. Thanks for watching.